Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. Here was saying extremely unbelievable collection. 108 tail Lord Shiva's conch. This conch have 108 tail. It is unbelievable. Here, here is the tail of the conch. You can see the 108 tail. It will be very close to place if you count from here. Totally you can see the 108 tail in this conch. It is for Lord Shiva. And this conch is for Lord Shiva. It is Lord Shiva's 108 miracle conch. Unbelievable collection. Only one piece in the universe. Very miracle formation. Unbelievable formation. You can see 108 tail on this conch. And this is extremely powerful Lord Shiva's puja conch. Extremely powerful Lord Shiva's puja conch. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. Extremely unbelievable formation, extremely unbelievable formation. Only one piece in the universe. Okay. If you count it, you can see clearly 108 tail. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you count 108, it is extremely very closely placed. It is unbelievable collection. Extreme miraculous formation. Lord Shiva's 108 tails, powerful puja conch collected from Indian Ocean. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya.